eating now?
Eh?
What are you going to eat now?
We're gonna eat G-pie. Taiwan G-pie. Should be delicious.
I can't believe they did it at the gantry of the train station. As you can see, we are in Chinatown now. Well, not really, not yet anyway. It's obviously the Lunar New Year season. We are not actively celebrating Chinese New Year now because my grandma's passing. We're just here to see what's going on. Yeah, there will be more lion dance and other performances as well. 楽しみね! Oh, 冰糖葫芦. Oh, 食べたい.
これ?
要草莓的，要山楂的。
山楂。
山楂要几根
一个。
550。これ550円ですね。
550.
はい。
Are you eating this for the first time? どう?
ああ、なるほどね。sour.
It's sour.
あ
It's only the sugar on the outside sweet.
あ、not too sweet.
いいでしょ? ちょっと硬いけど。
ちょっと硬い。
It's completely frozen.
なんこれ? Is it real?
Yeah, it's a fruit. Hawthorn.
あ
In Chinese we call it sanza. Yeah, but this is good for health. This is actually good for health. The fruit itself, not the candy. I'm having this set menu, which is a Sichuan tantan meat. What are you having?
I'm having this just normal ramen.
Ah, okay. Yay! We bought a Chinese cooking wok. Yay!
Decent.
Very, very decent. I'm so happy. And I bought a Chinese cooking ladle. Yay!
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take.
Lots and lots of Chinese stuff. Managed to get some Chinese sausages. Yay! Because I can't bring them from Singapore. You can't bring like meat stuff to Japan due to security hygiene purposes. I don't quite know how to describe it, but yeah, it's nice. Oh, look at, yeah, it's real. Peking duck. You haven't seen this before?
No, I haven't seen.
I think they're drying out the ducks.
Is it really real?
It's real! Oh my goodness. Can you believe this guy here? He doesn't believe they're real ducks. Seriously, Annie, have you seen real ducks before?
Good.
Yeah, I think they're drying them out so that they can roast them properly. They'll be crispy.
To the market, strolling hand in hand, exchanging letters when you're away. Don't need any effort when we are together. We always have fun throughout the day. I'll do anything to get.
Oh, honey, remember I told you they burn the incense paper in a pagoda? Yeah, this is the kind of thing. So this is how they burn the paper inside. So usually there's like a lot of fire inside, but over here, yeah, but over here I don't think they burn a lot. Wow, okay, that's like really expensive actually. Because things like this would probably cost like maybe $5 or less. And it's like what, 100?
Next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple loving, it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple loving, it's everything. Can't imagine living life alone.
If we were to go separate ways,
'Cause with you I feel like
who knows how far we go?
Don't you know that all that I need is your body?
Honey, there's more ducks for you to see here.
Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple loving.
Okay, he's so amused by the roasted Peking ducks. He's taking pictures of the ducks. Are you loving the ducks, honey?
Huh?
Do you love the ducks? You really haven't seen it before?
To me, it's very rare.
Okay. We are in Japan, by the way. Huh? Yeah. Oh, do you want to eat the Japanese xiaolongbao? This is Japanese xiaolongbao. Chinese xiaolongbao.
Small.
No, the pan fried type. Yeah, because Chinese xiaolongbao is not like that. This is a Japan version. It's very nice though. These are what we call char siu, and these are the real char siu. Yeah, and roast pork, that's my favorite. Because the way you say it, it sounds like a very crude Hokkien word. It sounds crude when you say it. Don't say that! Okay, say that again. Louder.
Why you are laughing? I don't understand.
Oh,
Bigger than I expected, actually.
really?
Huge.
It's much bigger in Taiwan though. Yeah, shall we eat there? What are you eating now?
Eh?
What are you gonna eat now?
We're gonna eat G-pie. Taiwan G-pie. Should be delicious. Very big G-pie. Huge G-pie.
Stop it, Andy.
Oh, my wife is keep laughing. I don't understand. Crazy. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh.
美味しそう。美味しそう。いい匂い。Oh.
The smell is completely mala, but you know,
It's not spicy.
Not spicy.
Okay, my turn. So this is the Yokohama Chinese school. Awesome! Okay, the school is right next to a temple. I do not know what to think about that, seriously.